What if I told you you can use Claude style AI coding power completely free and even offline? No subscription, no API costing, no limits. Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I will show you how you can use Claude Code workflow for free using local AI model like Gemma4 powered by Ollama. And honestly, this setup is game changer for developers. So here is the idea. Claude is amazing for coding, but it's paid, rate limited, and cloud dependent. What if we recreate that same experience locally? That's where Ollama, local models like Gemma4 and some smart prompting comes together. Let me show you step by step. What is Claude Code workflow? Before we jump in, let's understand something important. Claude is not just another AI chatbot. What makes it powerful for developers is long context understanding, clean code generation, structured thinking almost like a senior dev. So instead of just asking write a function, you can say analyze code, refactor it, debug step by step, explain decisions. That's the Claude Code workflow. Now we are going to recreate this but locally. So let's install Ollama. First, you need to open your browser and search download Ollama. As you can see, Ollama is available for all major operating systems like macOS, Linux as well as Windows. I will download it for Windows. Ollama I already downloaded on my computer. So what I will do, I will open Ollama. As you can see, Ollama is running perfectly. But in your case, you have to download it and then you need to install it. Now you need to download a model. In order to download a model, just click models and based on your computer requirement, you can choose a model. So for this tutorial, I will use here Gemma4. So I will click here. In order to download Gemma4 in your computer, you need to run this command in your terminal. So I will open my terminal. I will copy the script and then I can paste it here. But if you want to download any other model, like if in your case, your computer is not that powerful, in that case, you can choose E2B, meaning efficient 2 billion parameter, efficient 4 billion parameter, 26 billion parameter, 31 billion parameter. So based on your computer requirement, you can choose any. If your computer have 8 GB RAM, you can choose between these two. And if you have more computer RAM and also GPU power, in that case, you can choose any one of these. Suppose you want to download this one. In that case, how you can do? You can simply come here and after Gemma4, just add colon and then the model name what you want. Like I want 31B. So I'll write here 31B and if I hit enter, it will download for you. As you can see, the model size is 20 GB. That means based on your internet speed and also your computer configuration, it will take some time. For this tutorial, I don't want to download it. The reason because I already downloaded. And as you can see already in my computer, I downloaded Gemma4 26 billion parameter as well as 31 billion parameter. Right now, my computer is perfectly ready to run AI models locally. Now, you might ask me why Gemma4? Because it's lightweight and fast. It's powered by Google, same model as their latest model Gemini Pro, works locally and surprisingly good for coding tasks. Is it exactly Claude? No. But with the right prompt, it gets very close. Next step, you need to download Claude Code. So I'll open a new terminal and I'll write here download and you can see Claude Code by Anthropic. I will click here. I will copy the script and I will open my PowerShell with run as administrator. I will paste the script here and I will hit enter. If you do, Claude will download in your terminal. I already downloaded Claude on my terminal. Now I am ready to use Gemma4 using Claude Code. How I can do that? Let me show you. First of all, I will navigate my developer folder. So I will write here CD and then desk desktop. And here I can create a new folder. So I'll write here mkdir and the name you want. So I'll write here web dev. Okay. So I have a folder called web dev. Now I will navigate to that folder. So I'll write here CD and then web dev. Sorry. If I press tab and then I can go there. So right now, as you can see, I am in the web dev folder. Here I will write Ollama launch Claude and I will hit enter. If I do, in that case, it will ask you to choose a model. As you can see, for me, I have two models, 26 billion parameter and also 31 billion parameter. If you download a model, you will see here. So I will choose 31 billion parameter and I will hit enter. And then it asking if I trust the folder or not. I will definitely write here, yes, I trust the folder. And now you can see I am using Gemma4 31 billion parameter using the Claude wrapper. So I can ask whatever I want. I can say create a folder called about and I can also add here a colon so it will understand it properly and design a about section with HTML and CSS, and make sure all HTML and CSS files are separated. And if I hit enter, in that case you will see it will create a folder called about, and also it will create a about section for me using HTML and CSS, and it will use HTML and CSS separate files like before. You can see hero HTML scripts .js and also style.css. You can also run this model in your VS Code. So if you want to run this in your VS Code, how you can do that, let me show you. I can open VS Code, and then I can open the folder where I am working right now, desktop, and then this folder. Okay, and you can see here I have a chat window, but for now I want to open a terminal. So I will go to the terminal and then new terminal here. Okay, and here I can simply write Ollama launch Claude, and if I hit enter, I can choose the model. Definitely I can choose here 26 billion parameter, and now definitely I can ask whatever I want here and it will work for me. So if I open, you can see it's asking me that should I proceed. I will say yes and always allow this. So it will create a folder. You can see already it's created a folder for me, and it will work here, no problem at all. Also you can see this way if you prefer to, but as a developer definitely you will work on your code editor. So I think you can also open the same thing in your terminal this way. As you can see, it's done and it takes 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Now let's see how it look like. So I'll open my about folder and then index.html file, and as you can see it already created a style.css file. So I can open the index.html file and boom, as you can see that design looks amazing. Definitely if your prompt is good, you can have better result. That's exactly how you use Claude for development. Let's be real for a second. This setup is powerful but not perfect. You have some limitations, like smaller models is equal to less accuracy, not as smart as Claude latest model 4.6, requires good prompting, but for free it's insanely good. Here is some pro tips if you want better results. Use structured prompt, break big tasks into smaller ones, ask follow-up questions, combine with your own dev knowledge. Think of it like a junior dev you are guiding. So yeah, you don't need to pay for AI to level up your coding. With Ollama, Gemma4 and smart prompting, you can build your own Claude style coding assistant locally and definitely for free. Want more AI content? Subscribe and like the video if you are not already. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and stay safe. I am Ali Hossain signing out.